Let's check if there's a stereo speakers on the Realme Note 6T. And we can do it by finding all of the speakers on this device. First one is located on the bottom side of our device right here, and that's the main speaker. Then there's the phone call speaker on the top section of our device, and that is the speaker used for the phone calls. So it may not work for multimedia playback, but we can check on some of the devices if they have stereo speakers. It works as well, but we're gonna check it by playing the song, and then we can cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from a bottom one, that means it doesn't have it. Let's test it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which would confirm that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers.